How to enable the under attack mode of Cloudflare in cPanel. Cloudflare performs additional security checks of visitors to protect them from DDoS attacks. Although this mode doesn't impact legitimate visitors to your website, we recommend you only enable this if your website is under attack. Once the threat is removed, you should disable this mode. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click Cloudflare. Click to sign in, then enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click the Settings menu. Currently, a high level of security is selected. Click to open the drop-down list and select the Under Attack option. That's it. Now you know how to enable the I'm Under Attack mode of Cloudflare in cPanel. To disable it, just click to select any other level of security from the drop-down list. Thank you for watching.